It all started out us leaving New York City on a plane. Yes, on a plane, and we were piloting. Man. Once we landed, we saw two tourists. They said, "Hey, watch out!" There we met the big guys. They told us to either get tattoos or get a man-eating dog who likes tennis balls. Yeah, weird, I know. So we got the tattoos. Yes, we did. And they hurt. Ow. We, yet again, also got a man-eating dog that liked to eat tennis balls. Yes, liked to eat tennis balls. Scary, I know. And that's the end. That is the end of our story. Thank you. Good night. Tip your waitresses.